Withdrawing money from your John Hancock 401k account is a process that requires careful consideration, especially since early withdrawals may incur penalties. Here's how to withdraw funds. Check your eligibility. Ensure you're eligible for a withdrawal, typically after reaching 59 years old, when leaving your employer, or if you meet certain hardship criteria. Log into your John Hancock account. Visit the John Hancock website or use the mobile app to log into your account. If you don't have an account, you can register for one. Navigate to the withdrawal section. Once logged in, find the withdrawal section. This may be under the Manage My Account tab. Choose whether you want a full or partial withdrawal, or if you prefer a rollover to another retirement account. Select withdrawal method. Choose how you want to receive the funds: direct deposit to your bank account, a paper check, or another available method. Complete forms. You may need to fill out the withdrawal request form. If you're under 59, there might be additional steps, like confirming you're aware of the early withdrawal penalty. Consider tax implications. Withdrawals are taxable as income and subject to a 10% penalty if taken early. It's essential to consult a tax professional for advice.